So what is happening in the Sansad? Who is not letting the Sansad run? And what has happened vis-a-vis the NEET issue? All these are important questions, but the biggest headline is that Congress and Rahul Gandhi says they were gagged. If you just look at these 4 images on your screens, Rahul Gandhi later has also released a statement where he says that I was not allowed to raise the people's issue, people's concerns in the parliament, and hence he's put out a video on the social media. So even as Delhi, remember, has seen disruptions because of the first heavy rains of the season, and clearly, as always, no one accountable, the parliament also witnessed disruptions of another kind for entirely other reasons. Both the houses were to take up the discussion over the motion of thanks for the president's speech today. Instead, what happened is that both the houses, they see the Congress calling for a discussion on NEET and other exam paper leaks. And then you have both the houses again witnessing the Congress claiming that the mics of the leader of the opposition were turned off in their respective houses. On your screens, again, like I said, are images that have come in of multiple leaders of the India Alliance, all alleging that the government continues to bulldoze our voice. Let's firstly tell you what exactly has happened in the parliament.
माइक में बंद नहीं करता हूं, पूर्व में भी आपको व्यवस्था दी थी, यहां कोई बटन नहीं होता।
सर माइक तो दे दीजिए।
मैं आपको पूर्व में बता चुका हूं कि आप विषय राष्ट्रपति भाषण में रखें। अभी आपका
नहीं सर,
कोई
हम
रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा, इसलिए मेरा आग्रह है
उनको, हिंदुस्तान के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको हम जॉइंट मैसेज देना चाहते थे।
हाँ दें, आप
सुनिए जॉइंट मैसेज देना चाहते थे ऑपोजिशन और सरकार के साइड से कि इस मुद्दे को हम जरूरी मानते हैं, और इसीलिए हमने सोचा था कि आज स्टूडेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करने के लिए हम नीट पर डिस्कशन करें।
ठीक है, आप
डेडिकेटेड डिस्कशन। अब बात यह है कि 2 फोर्सेस हैं, एक तरफ
नहीं माने, प्लीज ओके। सभा पटल पर रखे जाने वाले पत्र आइटम नंबर 3 श्री अर्जुन मेघवाल जी।
So those are images and the scenes coming in from the Lok Sabha. But what about the upper house? Absolutely nothing in the upper house. Same fracas, same commotion, same allegations. This time it is between Congress's Mallikarjun Kharge and the chair Jagdeep Dhankar. And here again the allegation is that the Congress says that Kharge's mic was again turned off.
आज स्टूडेंट्स बहुत परेशान है। नीट का एग्जामिनेशन बार-बार 7 साल में 70 बार पेपर लीक होता है।
I do not.
तो क्या है? 7 साल में
nothing will go on record.
70।
I am not getting no. Leader of the opposition is expected to confine to the issue. No, sir, sorry, please, sir. Sir, बैठिए, please. Take your seat. Take your seat. Nothing will go on record. आज का दिन भारतीय संसद के इतिहास में इतना दागी हो गया है कि प्रतिपक्ष के नेता स्वयं वेल में आए हैं। ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है। मैं पीड़ित हूं, मैं अचंभित हूं। भारतीय संसदीय परंपरा इतनी गिर जाएगी।
नीट एग्जामिनेशन के जो इतने बड़े घोटाले हो गए, पेपर लीक हो गया, बच्चे परेशान हैं, लाखों बच्चे परेशान हैं, तो इन लोगों का जो समस्या है उसके तरफ ध्यान खींचने के लिए हमने स्पेसिफिक डिस्कशन मांगा। राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पे डिस्टर्ब करना नहीं चाहते थे, हम सिर्फ उनके जो स्टूडेंट्स के मुद्दे हैं उसको उठाकर उनके सामने रखना चाहते थे।
And there is this tweet that has just come in from the handle of Amit Malviya, and I do have both the BJP, the Congress guests joining us, Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, who represents the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Mr. Meka, who represents the Congress. Gentlemen, thank you for your time. And Amit Malviya says, Kaushal, look at the language. He says, third time failed Rahul Gandhi, alleging that his mic was switched off. Reminds me of the old saying, Mr. Meka, a poor craftsman always blames his tools. So what is the truth, Mr. Meka? What was going on?
No, one second. First of all, BJP loses that moral ground when people like Amit Malaviya uses such a language. So what does he mean third time fail? See, they don't reduce the democracy and elections just to winning a couple of elections. This is a process. This is about the voice of the people of the country, opposition or treasury benches. Everybody need to respect that process. If people like Amit Malaviya reduce it to some sort of a bullfight, oh, I won, you didn't win, that's not the way we look at the democracy. Okay, so first I would request change in their tone and tenor when they are talking about the people's issues and talking about the institutions of our country. Second, coming back to the actual issue, see what Congress party asked is a specific discussion so that a message is sent out to the youth of the country that both ruling and opposition parties are serious about this issue. That message needs to be sent out because this NEET issue didn't get a prominent mention even in the president's address. So they asked for it. What is wrong in it? Right? What is wrong in it? So bulldozing the opposition and then quickly adjourning the House until Monday, this is not going to serve the purpose. We need to learn to work together. That's all we are asking. We're not asking like, hey, we are just for the sake of opposition, we'll oppose everything you do. That's not the way we are doing.
Okay.
Right? What we are asking is, cooperate with us. Let's function
But
as a
Mr. Mehta,
vibrant
people are
democracy.
asking who does not want a discussion? Is the Congress that is provoking the government or vice versa? And it's good to see that, you have a problem and an objection that you have raised with the language of Amit Malviya. Jairam Ramesh, most of the tweets that he uses when he's speaking about the Prime Minister, again, allow me to quote, he says, Ek Tihai Pradhan Mantri. Is that the language you think which is pretty fine? I mean, I don't understand. You show the mirror to both political parties. Is this a fight now, Kaushal, of one-upmanship? It's an ego battle between you and Mr. Mehta right now because the Congress is wanting to say, listen, we have the numbers. How dare you bulldoze us? The government says, so what if we don't have a simple majority? But हमारा काम करने का तरीका वही रहेगा. So really it's an ego war, Kaushal, and the students are losing out.
Deepti, who is not willing to go for discussion? Government has clearly said, even Lok Sabha Speaker has said, even JP Nadda ji said that we are ready for discussion. But there is a wait for discussion. After the Rashtrapati note to the country, what will happen? What is the tradition of our parliament? Okay. Just after Rashtrapati's bhashan, everybody used to say something.
Say that NEET is not an important issue that we will not discuss. Apologies, I'm just cutting you short because